My name is Amber Gordon and I work for Georgian Bay Forever. My family and I have been testing the Filtrol 160 ahead of the Georgian Bay Forever pilot project Divert and Capture, the fight to keep microfibers and microplastics out of our water that we are hosting in the town of Parry Sound. So we've had this installed for just about a month now, and this is going to be the very first time that I am looking to empty out the filter. So here we go. And sometimes this O-ring, I think, can be a little bit stuck and you may need to pry it with a screwdriver. So that comes off like so. And then we're gonna grab the filter. And this is all the stuff that we have captured in a month. It's quite a lot and kind of gross, but so what we're going to try and do is get as much of this out as we possibly can. And then this is what the people who are part of the pilot project are going to, I guess, save for us. And then what we're supposed to do is wash this filter in a little bucket of Dawn soap and hot water. Like so it's all nice and clean. However, the good part is pilot project people are also going to get a spare filter that you can quickly and easily put in while this one then dries. So we're going to give that a shot. We'll put that in like so. We take this top and we simply put it over. And we have to line it up in the holes, like so, and you're good to go. Thank you so much.